In this quick video, I'm about to show you guys how you can create a YouTube channel in 2024. Let's get started. First, click on your YouTube profile and then click on switch accounts. And then here you can see view all channels. So you need to click on view all channels. So click there and here is all channels. Now simply you can create a channel. So this one is your email address auto generated, and this one here is create a new channel, which is a brand channel. All right, so keep that in mind. The create channel, click on that and you can name anything. So you can do anything like whatever channel you wanted to name it. All right, so let's say I want to Techoid 2 and I understand that, and create a channel. You can name anything, but make sure you should keep a catchy name so your audience are able to remember your channel name easily. So we have created a channel right now, so it's kind of blank here. So you can upload and record at the home page and go. So you can create a video. Just click on create, and you don't want to start uploading right now. So you need to set up your channel before you even upload. So close this and continue. First thing is you wanted to upload logo and banner. So scroll down and click on this customization. And you don't want to play with trailer and anything here because we don't need it at very first beginning. So click on this branding, and this is a place that you will need to upload your profile picture for your YouTube. If you guys don't know how to create a profile picture for YouTube, I will make a separate video, and as well as for banner. So if you have a existing profile image, you need to click on upload and find their profile pic. So for me, it's this one right over here. I'm gonna upload this and click on done. So here we go, guys. I've uploaded. Now you can click on upload the banner. So I'm gonna upload this. So you can see this is viewable only on all devices. It includes like iPad or phones or whatever. So this is on desktop only, and this is viewable on TV. All right. Now click on done once you are happy, and it should give you a basic look of your channel. And if you wanted to watermark your video, you can upload that as well. So I don't have a watermark currently. I will create a separate video for this as well. And once you guys are done, go ahead and click on this basic info. Alright guys, so here you will need to give a description. So you can write any kind of description. You can even generate with ChatGPT if you wanted to. I can just write like, this is Techoid who love to make tech videos related. And you can also put some tags over here, but I won't recommend using the tags over here because it's spam. So just put some keyword and just sprinkle it out with some words like this. All right, like you want to make a tutorial video, then it's all okay. You can write here. All right, make sure to give a brief description about your channel so that people will know about what's your channel about. And handle is just basically to mention your channel by other people. So you can use a handle like this as well. You don't want to give a random numbers to people. You can just give like Techoid. If it's taken, then it will be like handle not available. All right, so I'm just going to do like Techoid 2, and well, that's it. And if you wanted to include your links of your social media like Twitter or Facebook, you can put here. All right, so you can add everything here, even your website links. It should be good to go. So once you guys are happy, all right, so I'm gonna remove this because I don't have any kind of link for this tutorial based channel. So I'm just going to click on publish. Once you guys are happy, just click on publish. All right, so it's gonna take some time, and now you can click on go to channel. So here you go. Now your banner and everything is ready, but still it's not showing because of a cache. So I'm gonna go to incognito mode because it's not showing me a banner. Here you can see that we have seen banner, but it's still disappearing. I don't know why. All right, so here we go, guys. This is how it should look like. And meanwhile, the profile picture is still not showing because it should take some time. All right, so just close that out. Now you can upload the video, but still you have to do something here on settings. All right, guys, so click on settings and now click on channel. So here is a keyword. All right, so this is very important because if you don't do this, you can't find your channel name. So as you guys can see, my channel name here is Techoid 2. So just type in Techoid 2 as your channel name and give a comma. And now here you will need to put keyword like whatever videos that you guys wanted to upload. Like for example, let's say how to, let's say you want to upload like Photoshop tutorials. So do like Photoshop tutorials. And you can also say if you wanted to upload like vlogs, then you can do vlogs as well. So if you have like specific niche channel, for example, like only Photoshop based channel, then you will need to put multiple keyword related to Photoshop, that whatever you guys wanted to upload, this keyword will boost your videos and channel to pop up at top of the result. All right, so on country of your residence, choose your country. Also make sure to put a lot of tags or keywords. As you guys can see that YouTube is allowing you like 500 keywords over here. So just make sure to give specific video keywords that you are going to use really frequently. All right, so go ahead and click advanced, and now you need to set this as no. This channel is not made for kid, because if you're going to make a kid video, then you will need to do like I want to review this. All right, if you don't, then you're just good. All right, you are just good. Just leave this all on default. Now go to feature and eligibility. So here it display really important part here. You will need to verify your phone number. All right, so I don't have a phone number right now because my phone is already used a lot of time to create a Gmails, so it's not going to be verified by my phone number. So I'm not going to do that. So if you wanted to verify this, you can verify it. So after you guys have verified, you are able to upload longer than 15 minutes video, and you can also create a custom thumbnails, and you can do live streaming as well. But to do like live streaming, I guess you also need like 1,000 subscriber, I guess so. All right, so to create a custom thumbnails, I have also made a video on how to create a custom thumbnails, so you can check on the description down below. And on number 3, advanced feature. So to access the advanced feature, you will need to verify the phone number first, and then you are able to access the features. So once your channel hits the milestone, then you are able to apply the monetization, and you can do like a search and do everything. Like you can see that you can claim the content ID as well and do everything. So once you guys have finished up the intermediate features and verify the number, click and save. And now you guys are ready to upload the first video on YouTube. All right, so you can upload your first video by clicking on this create button and then upload the video, and it will show you the upload video window. Select the files and choose video that you wanted to upload, and boom, there we go. So I will create a video on how you can optimize SEO friendly video as well in future. So till then, I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.